The DOQO case comes up to $179. The DOQO case adds a full row of function keys for quick actions that include a home button, tablet brightness controls, volume controls, and so much more. This keyboard case combines 4 different things: a case for your iPad, a keyboard, a trackpad, and a docking hub. What? You place the iPad into the back panel here, and it connects over USB-C. The USB-C cable is a braided cord, making moving around a lot easier when you need to remove the iPad to watch Netflix, if that's your thing. Below, let's take a look back at the function keys. With the full row of function keys, you have a button on the top right hand corner that powers the 7 ports along the side of the keyboard case. The keyboard case has good spacing, allowing a comfortable typing experience. Below is a moderate-sized trackpad with its own gestures that can be used to scroll pages online as well as move through your apps on the home screen. If you use the trackpad often, however, it does take a bit of getting used to, and I found myself not using it with my regular workflow, and instead using features like voice text or touching the screen to move around in apps. This case has a smart dock, fully stocked with 7 ports, one for charging your iPad, one for HDMI to 4K monitors, 3.5mm headphone jack, SD card reader, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB 3.0s, and a micro SD. The DOQO case protects the entire iPad with coverage on all sides and the back of the iPad. There really is a lot of protection, but also quite a bit of bulk. This one package is pretty impressive. It also has 12 watts of pass-through power. Be careful when closing your DOQO case. It just kind of slams shut, so be gentle when you close this thing. The trackpad has its own gestures, allowing you to scroll with 2 fingers, tap, and pinch your fingers together to return to the home screen. The trackpad is also very clicky, so if it's not your jam, there is a key to turn it off completely. To hear about even more accessories, click right here.